Hi, Kathy Clements here with another 1-minute workout. Today we're going to do hammer curls. You ready? Let's go. Tuck your elbows into your body. Your thumbs are in toward your body too. And give yourself a wide base. Now I'm using weights, but if you're in your office doing this and you don't have weights available, use a book. Or those SOP manuals that every company has that nobody reads. This is what it should look like from the side. Just straight up and down. Nice 45 degrees, 90 degrees, whatever the degrees is. 100 at the bottom, 0 at the top. And you're done. Have a great day.